How to build a custom mechanical keyboard, a beginner guide. It's not as complicated as building your own PC, but assembling a keyboard from basic components can still seem daunting. This step by step guide will help you build the mechanical keyboard of your dreams. Table of contents. When it comes to what's inside 2D computer keyboard, two keyboard types predominant dome switch keyboard and mechanical keyboard. Dome switch keyboard, sometimes called rubber dome models, are the cheaper option, with some models retailing for $20 or less. They are through in kind you get with a desktop PC purchase, but it's hard to go back to one of those commodified peripherals after experiencing a fine toned mechanical keyboard, especially one that you have assembled yourself. Yes, that's now a thing. Why should I go with a mechanical keyboard and build my own? The difference all comes down to what under the key themselves. Dome switch keyboard consists of keycaps, the plastic key tops with the actual symbols on them, a layout of domes molded into a springy, flexible rubber-like sheet, or in some cases discrete domes under each key, and a printed circuit board PCB beneath them. When you press a keycap, the dome beneath it puts pressure on an element that closes a contact on the PCB and sends a signal to the computer. The dome also provides the counter force that pops the keycap back up, but you experience no tactile response that lets you know when your key press has been registered. Rubber dome keyboard tend to feel messy, and the material the domes are made from wears down over time. Mechanical keyboard, on the other hand, use individual switches instead of that rubbery material to achieve the same end result. Your key press gets registered and the key bounces back, but with more comfort and refinement. The actual switches, which imply springs and plungers, last for longer and offer the opportunity for customization, and many users find them more satisfying to type on. The downside: mechanical keyboard are typically much more expensive, with the cheap side of the shelf full-size layout option starting between $60 and $75. But what's the fun is buying a keyboard off the shelf. If you consider yourself a tinkerer or just want a better understanding of how the technology you use works, it's possible to build your own custom mechanical keyboard. Indeed, it's never been easier. Here we shall run through the basic for custom keyboard. First timers, we shall understand better how your parts interact, and you shall get to select parts and tweak almost every aspect of your typing experience. And while you shall still spend more than you would on a rubber dome board, or for that matter a basic pre-built mechanical model, you shall have something to brag about next time someone complains about their machine keys. For this guide, we shall be working off the Inland Gaming MK Pro 75% Barry Bones kit. Inland is the house brand of PC retailer Macro Center. We reviewed the pre-built version of this keyboard and examined our experience with it. We shall be going through the different parts of the keyboard, explain why you had select one kind of part over another, and finally discuss some upgrades and more advanced steps to consider if you want to take it to the next level. Step 1. Lay out the parts. Outside of the key mechanism themselves, the components of a mechanical keyboard are largely similar to those of a dome switch. On the key difference is how the keycaps are actuated. You have your frame often made of plastic, but you might spend a bit extra for an aluminum one, as well as a PCB out to match the frame that it will sit in. The PCB is essentially the main electronics, a motherboard of sorts for the keyboard. The other main parts are the keycaps plus a cable to connect the keyboard to your PC, or to change the keyboard if the board is wireless.
Sure, sure.